Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. We have just arrived in Tangier, Morocco on the bullet train from Casablanca. We booked our stay within easy walking distance of the Tangierville train station at the Hilton Garden Hotel. This is a fantastic location to stay when visiting Tangier. The hotel is located just steps from the beach, and I'll just show you here. The Hilton is right there. There's a traffic circle, and right there is the Hilton Garden. Let me show you on Google Maps what a fantastic location this is, and then we'll go check out the hotel. As I scroll in, I'll just show you. Here is the train station, and right over here, as I scroll in a little farther, the icon pops up, and here is the Hilton Garden Inn Tangier City Center, just literally steps from the beautiful Corniche walking area and the beautiful beach. And you can also walk to the old town in about half an hour. This 4-star hotel opened in 2016 and is part of the Tangier City Complex, which includes Tangier City Mall. There are 320 modern rooms spread across 16 floors. It's worth mentioning that the Tangier City Mall right next door features over 100 stores, including a supermarket, a food court, and children's play areas. And as we continue to pan, there's the train station right there. It's so close, it's perfect. As we step inside the hotel, we're greeted by the friendly staff. If you find you need a snack, there's a small snack shop right next to reception where you can pick up sandwiches, salads, yogurt parfaits, and all sorts of snacks and drinks that you can bring to your room. This actually came in quite handy for us as we were traveling during Ramadan. Like I said, this hotel has 16 floors. Our room is on the 13th floor, something you almost never see in North American hotels. Many buildings there skip straight from the 12th to the 14th floor due to superstitions around the number 13. But here in Tangier, no such superstitions. I love as you walk down this hallway how the lights come on as you're passing through that area. All right, here we are, room 1317. As we come in, it's so nice and bright in here. I love the color scheme. I love the nice, crisp white bedding. There's a luggage stand there for you. A nice chair to sit in. Beside the bed are bedside tables with plugs and nice side lights. As we turn around, you'll see a little desk area here with a European plug outlet right here and a flat screen TV. And down below that, when we open these cupboard doors, you'll find the hotel safe, very easy to use, and also a small fridge. We've got an in-room kettle, which is so nice, with coffee and tea and 2 bottles of water. Let's go have a look at the bathroom. It's got a walk-in shower. We'll have a look at that in a second. Lots of counter space for your stuff. And as we come in here, you've got shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, and a handheld shower, and a nice towel rack here. As we turn around, you'll see a wall-hung toilet and a wall-hung bidet. That is a really great feature. Now this is thermostatically controlled, so that means you just set your temperature and just turn it on and off. And there's a closer look at the shampoo and conditioner. And there's also air conditioning in this room. Here's a list of what you can expect on TV. Not a lot of English speaking channels, but there were a few. Let's have a look at the view out our window. Lots of construction happening here. I think they might have taken buildings down or something, but we didn't hear any noise from that. And as we pan over, there's the ocean right there. Such a short walk. It's amazing. And as we turn around this way, I know we've talked about that train station being so close, but there it is right there. So super close and convenient. No taxis required. Now let's head into the Garden Grill and see what's for breakfast. Now there is a little bit of a dress code, but it's easy. No bathrobes, no swimsuits, and no slippers. Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Let's head on in and have a look. So once you've given your name and your room number, you can go ahead and help yourself. Check out these beautiful breads. Now this lady was working hard. She was making all kinds of different breads, heating them all up, and oh my goodness, they were just so delicious. I don't know what any of these things are called, but let me tell you, over the course of our stay, I tried every single one of them. Right next to where she was making the bread, you'll find the seating, and as we turn around, you'll find the beverages.
Madam Tina, you're welcome to Morocco. Wish you a happy day and that you spend a good time with us in the hotel, and wish you a happy vacation in Tangier and Morocco. You're welcome, Madam Tina.
That was such a kind welcome. We found that everyone working at this hotel worked hard and really welcomed us, and we just had such an amazing time. Check out this lovely meats and cheese spread and yogurts and toppings and cereals, and just it's incredible. You will not leave this area hungry, I promise. Juices and waters and milks and more bread. And of course, crepes. I did have to have one of these crepes with the little sauce. It was so delicious. There's also savory breakfast items, eggs and soups and beans and roasted potatoes and spicy little meatballs. They were delicious. Here's my cup of tea, and there's my breakfast. I'm so happy. I love a good breakfast to start my day. Here's another friend. She was such a lovely server and took good care of us. There we are with the sea view behind us, and such a lovely hotel. Goodbye, we'll see you again tomorrow morning. Now there is a self-serve laundry in this hotel, which came in so handy, and this lovely lady cleaned our room. Now I'm pointing out all these staff members because they went above and beyond in their jobs, taking the time to talk to us and get to know us. We didn't have that experience in all the hotels we visited, but we did here at the Hilton Garden, a beautiful property. We would definitely come back here. I have all stars and no wishes for this hotel. It was a perfect stay. Here's another view of that Tangier City Mall attached to our hotel. That came in so handy. I actually really enjoyed shopping there in the evenings. And let me tell you, this mall came alive at night, full of kids, full of families. It was great. We really enjoyed our stay here in Tangier. It's such a beautiful city. We love staying at the Hilton Garden. It's a beautiful hotel in a great location. Walking distance to the train station, walking distance to the Mediterranean Sea. Absolutely beautiful. Now this is the Tangier Promenade, and we spent a lot of time walking here both during the day and at night. We felt very safe. As you get closer to the old town, you'll see more and more restaurants. This promenade is just steps away from the hotel. Thanks for watching my video on the Hilton Garden Hotel in Tangier. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell to see how the rest of our trip to Morocco goes. Check out the links I've added below to our favorite luggage and our favorite anti-theft backpacks, day packs, and crossbody bags that we use on every trip we take. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and here are some videos I think you might enjoy watching next.